Hello guys, so welcome to my page, Nurture TV page, and to my YouTube channel, Nurture TV. So I want this video. I want to share something. I want to reveal something. How this farm was started. So it all started with a desire, and before I was uh, thinking about this farm, I just started my YouTube channel in page, even though I'm not thinking that I can have this mini farm. So the name of this farm is Lucas Mini Farm. The name of our son, Lucas, Lok Exiel Adonai. And I want to say something, and then I want to thank all my followers and subscribers in YouTube and to my page. So I want to share about this farm. So I was having a live stream in YouTube when I was in Estancia. Maybe it's that it's not very long ago, but it's just maybe 5 to 6 months ago. There is someone that visiting my live stream, and I don't know him personally, but he is always watching and visiting my live stream. So he is the person behind this. It's not. I don't say that success, but fulfillment. So I want to share his name. He's Sir Brian Lotter from Florida, USA. Thank you so much. You are a part of the. You are a big part of this farm. So he was supporting me to my the finances just to finish, just to fulfill my dreams about this farm. So uh, it's a miracle for me. I don't expect, because when I was in microfinance company, I signed a resignation letter, and they accept my resignation. Then they asked me if what happened if you resign into your job. So I just said in my heart, because uh, I have faith in God, that something that if I will resign to my job, God will provide something, or God will provide. I really believe in the saying that if God's close the door, He will open the window. So if the door of my previous job was closed, then God opened the window. That's why I'm here standing. I'm sitting. I'm here in the front of our mini farm. So I'm so thankful. So that God used someone to help us. Oh, for me, it is not my own. It is not my farm, but it's our farm, because I cannot have this without the help of, yes, God, but He used Sir Brian just to meet my expectations and my dreams. He was supporting me and still supporting me in the finances. So I'm working with him. So it is not my own farm. So it's our family farm, and also it is an investment of Sir Brian. So if someone asks, if others asking me, where did you get that money? So I don't have job. My wife having no job anymore, but still we have our livestocks. We have money to buy feeds because of the help of the person behind this farm, Sir Brian Lotter. Thank you so much, sir. And I cannot pay you back, but just I don't remember, I don't forget, I never forget your advice that stay humble and do the hustle. And one thing I learned from you is you asked me how to eat an elephant. So it's a big process when you are starting farming, but it's enjoyable. Many challenges, many money will involve, and effort, but if it is your passion, you will not be surrender. So thank you so much, guys. So for just understand my grammar, I'm not good, but I'm trying to speak English, because there is someone there was many subscribers coming from other country like Europe, India. Canada, and US. So thank you so much guys. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for always commenting. To Sir Ernest, please share. And to the Soreng High community, Shub TV, and to other organic viewers and subscribers. Thank you so much. And especially to Sir Brian Luther for your help. You help us so much in our finances and in all the aspects about regarding this farm. So thank you so much and God bless. See you on my next vlog. So I hope that you will support me not today but into the future. God bless.